We have something so special in front of us today. We have the best Ridge wallet you can possibly get, and there are a few reasons why. Because, as you can see right here, it is 24 karat gold RFID blocking wallet from Ridge. They are not a sponsor. I actually purchased this because I was interested in it. And today we're going to take a look at this, see exactly what the RFID blocking feature is. Open it up, see how nice it is for you guys. And then if you're interested in buying one, I will provide a link in the description, and maybe Ridge will work with us in the future. But for now, let's get this package opened up, take a look inside, and see how cool this 24 karat gold Ridge wallet is on Supercar Street Racing. Guys, right in front of me, sitting next to my Skyrider drone here, we see the Ridge wallet, slim RFID blocking wallet in 24 karat gold. And today we are taking a look at this packaging, very nice packaging. And it says the wallet redefined here on the side. And on the back, it says that it expands to hold 1 to 12 cards. It does block all RFIDs from your cards. It's a modular design and it has a lifetime warranty. It does have a cash strap and a money clip, both included with it on the wallet, and additional accessories for the option to interchange cash carrying style. Now, I am used to doing a money clip, so I will probably do that. And on the side there, we just see that it does say Ridge wallet, looking ever so fresh with their logo here. And that is all that is to the outside of the packaging here of the 24 karat gold Ridge wallet from Ridge. Let's get this thing opened up now and see what's inside. Guys, the Ridge wallet in 24 karat gold is right here in front of me next to my Skyrider, and let's go ahead and get this guy opened up and see what is actually in here and take a look at this packaging. And right here, the first thing we do see is the Ridge right on top of it, just like that. And then underneath here, there is the wallet redefined on the side again. And lifting up the packaging here, we have a nice pamphlet right here, and it talks a little bit about getting started with your Ridge wallet and then guaranteed for life, military grade materials, durability, and a wallet that will last a lifetime. This is a guaranteed for life wallet. They said if you visit them, they will make it right if anything happens to it. So basically, you push your cards in and out through the cutout, and then you use your opposite hand and fan them. Keep your 2 most used cards at the front and the back of the wallet to maximize accessibility. And then on the back, there's directions from changing the cash strap to the money clip, which is what I'm going to do. And then let's take a further look inside of the box here. Almost like a glasses cleaning to polish your Ridge wallet with. They also give you a Ridge sticker right here, which is very nice. They give you a nice screwdriver. And here is the 24 karat gold Ridge wallet right in front of you with the cash strap on it. And I like the money clip better, so I'm going to try to figure out how to change that. Here is the money clip, and they give you also an extra strap right here and additional screws. Okay, so to put this money clip, you have to take this thing apart and you have to take off the front plate, which I am nervous about doing, but I guess we have to. These are tiny screws, by the way. Okay, that is all of the screws now. Okay, we have just removed 14 screws. All right, I was successfully able to take off the money elastic and put on the money clip, which is what I prefer. I'll just put my cash right here. Let's go ahead and get some cash to put in it. This is my old carbon fiber Palo Alto gift, which is showing some signs of aging. It's nice, but it's time to throw it away. And let's go ahead and put some crispy 120s in here. Like that. And then your cards just do slide in. Like that. Put your most used cards on the front and the back so you have access to them. Let's go ahead and add all my cards. All right, we have successfully added all my cards to the Ridge wallet. Super easy to do, looks awesome. I love the gold plating. I love the 24 karat gold. I love the fact that they give you the money clip with it and additional screws so that you can have that if you need it in the future. I'm gonna put the old clip back in there right there. Then we have this nice card that came with it that says that they build high quality products and shows you how to get to their site. Put that back in there, and they give you this nice polishing cloth to polish your gold plated 24 karat gold Ridge wallet with, and this nice sticker as well. And put our box back together. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys a video on how to add and remove the money clip to the Ridge wallet, and then we'll talk about it some more in the Supercar Street Racing 4K production studio with Brad. We're back in the Supercar Street Racing 4K production studio, and I am Brad, and I want to take this opportunity to welcome you to the channel if you are new here, and if you're a returning subscriber, we appreciate your support so much here on Supercar Street Racing. And today we have the 24 karat gold Ridge wallet looking so fresh right here in front of me, and there is a good shot of it right from the studio with the money clip on it that we did just replace in the video. Now, this video was not sponsored by Ridge Wallet. I did actually buy this. I had a carbon fiber clone wallet that I got from a vendor that was wearing out. So it was time to get a new wallet, and I bought the Ridge 24 karat gold wallet, and it does come with both a strap and a clip, and you have to change out the strap to the clip because it comes with the strap, and if you want the clip you have to put it on yourself. Now this wallet was a little over $200 and something, almost $300. And you can see right in front of you here that they have a range of them on Amazon. This one right here on Amazon is the titanium, but there are plenty of colors for you to choose from. And another good close-up look at the ridge right there is what it looks like. And these screws are also 24 karat gold plated for your enjoyment. And so go ahead, and when you order stuff through our links in the description, it helps us out tremendously, and go ahead, subscribe. We recently have some videos doing very well, and I am so appreciative of your support. Now, when you do click through the links in the bottom of the video description, it does give us just a few dollars to keep the channel going, because we lose money on the channel, as you know, but we want to continue to bring you reviews and products. So it does help us out if you buy anything from Amazon by clicking any of our links. It doesn't have to be the actual product in the description. It will still help us out tremendously. So far, so good. I love the Ridge wallet. It does get a lot of attention when you go out and people ask about it for sure. But pick whatever color you want, and if you can't afford the gold one, that's fine too. Get whatever you can afford and order it through the SCSR official promotional links. Now I have to go work 7 more jobs to be able to afford this. So I'll talk to you guys later, and we'll see you soon on the channel.